Hi guys, today I'm just going to show you the next level of that of our inventory module. So today we are giving you the overview of the sold quantity register. So I have created a sample in here. I will show you how how does it work. So I'm just going to put some SKUs in here from our product creation sheet which we have created earlier. So in sold quantity register, I'm just going to take my first SKU. So you can see you will get the details in here according to the data that I'm entering. So I have put three SKUs in here, then I'm going to put some sold quantities. So when you press the data, I'm just going to put another example in here. You can see when I press the data, there are only two data you just need to input in here. It's just only the SKU and the sold quantities. Then the total, this summary and the total summary is getting updated with those two data. So I will show you how to create that format. So I have put the basic details in here. So first of all, before I'm going to start, for this C column, I'm just going to change it into text. First of all, from the formats, I'm just going to change it to text because the reason we are using zeros in front of this. So because of that, we are just going to change this column into text. So for today, I'm just going to use a new formula as it introduced as XLOOKUP. So equal XLOOKUP. It just this formula is similar to the VLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP, we open the bracket from the lookup value. You press a comma. And the next one is lookup array. You will go for the product creation sheet. Your product array will be SKU. You will select the SKU, comma. Then you need the product post description. You get the post description in here. And then you will put a comma. If this value is not found, you can give a value in here. Not this is not in VLOOKUP. You have to put another formula to get this value. So I'm just going to put this if not found value in here. I'm just going to give it a blank. Then in here you can see there are no data. So I'm doing the same thing for the department. Let's look up, open bracket, SKU, put a comma, go for the product creation sheet, my SKU, comma, department, comma, blank. Same for the unit price, is equal, let's look up, open bracket, SKU, comma, product creation sheet, SKU, comma, my unit selling price, comma, 0, close the bracket, press enter. You can see a 0 in here. So to get the sold value, I will multiply the sold quantity from the unit price. So that's a basic formula that we studied earlier. So when I press the SKU, you can see the data is illustrated in here according to the formulas that we used. And then you can put some sold quantities, let's say 10, 15, 5 and 20. So these are values. So to update the summary level, I'm just going to use another formula called SUMIF. That's a new formula for us. Equal SUMIF. When you open the bracket, it will tell you to select the range. So I'm just going to select the range. Our range is department. That's the range, comma. Then the particular department level, beverage. You need the sold quantity and you will select the sold quantity within the table. You close the bracket. Then according to the beverages, you will get how many pieces you have sold. Then I'm just going to take the selling value equal sum if, open bracket, my range is department, comma, level, department level, comma, some range is my sold value. Then we close the bracket, we copy it and paste it. You can see the total values comes up to here, and then you will get the grand total with the with the with the basic formula called sum. Close the bracket. There you go. Then here I have shown you to how to get the quantity contribution. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to do that. So I'm just going to select one value, divide by my grand total, and I'm just going to lock my grand total. If not, these cells will be moving down. So I'm just going to, if you press F4, that particular cell that you need to lock, that will be locked with the with those dollar signs. So when I just press enter, you can see the total values are coming like this. Same thing I'm just doing for the selling value. Divide by grand total, locking the cells. That's it. Now I just need to check what is the highest quantity and what is the highest value. So for that, I'm just going to use the conditional formatting. Within the conditional formatting, you can see the icon sets are available. So from that icon set, you can use like any of these criterias. So I'm just going to use the directional criteria. You can see like what is the highest and what is the lowest, it will show you. And for the value contribution, I will show you I will do the same thing, direction. There you go. So you have created a department-wise sold quantity summary. So with the dates, you can have a date filtering and see like what are the quantities that you have sold for that particular date. And in here, you can analyze that particular date, what is the department which is performing well. So this is our basic idea to manage the inventory. What is the highest contributor within those sold quantity? So that is my expectation to give you like these kind of analysis reports. So I will see you again then. Thank you very much.